Hello, hello, hello. And once again, this is Mrs. M. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe below so you can receive the latest on the juicy cleaning business industry news. So, this video is going to talk about how to survive when you've lost all of your accounts. Let's say that you've just gotten started, you had 5 cleaning accounts, and you've lost all of them. How do you possibly survive? How do you not give up? How do you feel like this isn't for me? Well, this is when your why comes into play. Why you got started in the first place. You really need to dig deep to understand what is your motivation for starting a cleaning business, because although it's profitable, it's exciting, it's challenging, it can be difficult. Not that you cannot overcome the difficulties, but it can be difficult. So, how to survive when you lost all your accounts? Rinse and repeat. Actually start over with what worked for you to get your very first account. So I always like to say rinse and repeat. Once you have a system in place, whether it be for hiring your team, whether it be for marketing, that's what you need to focus on. A system will carry you through, and it will actually help you survive losing your clients, losing your employees, anything that you lose in business. If you have had a system that has worked before, it will work again. Now, sure, just like now in this type of environment with COVID-19, we're having to tweak things that we may not have normally had to tweak. But if you have a system in place, it will still survive, and you will be able to rebuild and probably even surpass what you've been able to accomplish. As we know, when we go through something, we seem to do a lot better the second and third time around than we did the first time. So, if you're interested in how to build a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch, make sure you sign up for our webinar. We have a free webinar. Space is limited because we do a lot of Q&A for people that actually have questions and answers. We like to do them live, so we like to allow for a lot of time for that as well. So, register below. Space is limited, and we hope to see you then. Until then, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.